everybody, I'm finally back with another video. Today I'm actually going to be doing a Animal Crossing themed Penpal letter. So this letter that I'm writing is actually a fake letter because I'm currently in quarantine. My boyfriend actually tested positive for COVID and I went to go get tested, so I'm still waiting for my test results, but we're both isolating, so we're gonna be here for about 2 weeks. So I decided to take advantage of this time and finally get back on YouTube. I have a lot of ideas that I want to do and a lot of new videos that I'm going to be uploading as well. So thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments below. So like I said, this is actually a fake letter. I am using one of my friend's names on this letter, but it's really just a practice letter for me to have fun while in quarantine. So I actually just doodled a few Animal Crossing villagers because apparently I don't have any Animal Crossing stickers, which I find kind of strange because I have a huge sticker collection. I mean, a whole tub full of stickers. And I don't have any Animal Crossing stickers, so if you guys know anybody that sells them, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could maybe just put the link down below in the comments, that way I can purchase some for my own. Do any of you guys play Animal Crossing? I know I actually purchased the game a couple days after release day, and I want to say within the first 2 weeks I probably put anywhere from 70 to 80 hours of gameplay, which is really ridiculous considering that I also have a full-time job. So I would literally get home at around 5:30 p.m., make dinner, do the dishes, walk the dog, and then I would just get on Animal Crossing and I would play non-stop until midnight, 1 a.m., sometimes 2 a.m., which is really crazy. And I mean, even now my island still doesn't look all that great. So if anybody plays, let me know in the comments how many hours you have on your game and also who your favorite villager is. I was finally able to find Ketchup, and I actually found Marina today, so I haven't interacted with her, but Ketchup is so cute and she's by far my favorite character right now. And one of my starter villagers was actually Genji, which I love. Even though he's one of those musclehead villagers, I still really like him. What I'm making here is a little Animal Crossing bug paint chip. So what I did was I printed a bunch of the bugs out on a heavy cardstock, and I'm just actually going to trim each bug out and then I'm going to paste it onto this little paint chip. I came up with this idea because I actually bought a floating frame for myself and I wanted some way to display these bugs, so I printed out a bunch of bugs and I trimmed each one of them out individually. And let me tell you, it is so time consuming. Just depending on which bug you're actually cutting, it takes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes per bug. So just doing one frame can take a few hours, but I actually made a few already and I have them listed in my Etsy shop. I know that I've already sold a few, but there's still some listed on there, and I'm gonna be restocking on supplies as well. So if you are interested in purchasing, I'll definitely put that link for my Etsy shop down below. So besides pen paling, I do a lot of other arts and crafts as well. So I really like to paint and draw, and I do a lot of digital art here in Procreate. I just recently got into it, so I'm still learning the kinks to it, but I am interested in actually making stickers. So it's something that I've wanted to do for a really long time. I actually have some designs from maybe like 5 or 6 years ago that I really still want to do, so I'll probably end up just redrawing those. But if you guys are interested in seeing my stickers and maybe wanting to purchase some, I will eventually have them listed on my Etsy, but I'll make sure to make a video of all of that once I have it up. I recently got a Cricut machine, so now that I have all the supplies for everything, there's really no excuse as to why I can't do it. I also feel like I finally got my art style down. I mean, of course, it's still gonna keep on changing, but I'm at a point where I really like how my drawings are coming out, and I think you guys will too. So I'll definitely make a video of me drawing, and I was actually thinking of uploading maybe every other week some type of art vlog video where I just record myself painting and drawing and doing polymer clay and making pens and just all different kinds of things. So if that's something that you're interested in, or maybe there's something specific that you would like to see me do, definitely let me know. Just, shoot it down in the comments, and I'll make sure to read through everything. Thank you guys for watching this video. Again, I'm really excited to be back on YouTube, so I will definitely see y'all next week with a new video. It may not be Penpal, it may be some type of other arts and crafts, but if you have any ideas on what my next Penpal theme should be, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week.